you, tell you get inside my whip. Try not skirt off undercover. I need me a bitch who nice to you, but freaky undercover.
It's November 3rd, and it's like, let's see, my car says 66, but I don't know if that means outside or in the car. Anyways, it's around like 50s, high 50s, 60 weather right now. So I'm gonna go attempt my first ever street skateboarding spot. I really hope this works out because that would be sick to get my first street spot on film and on a YouTube video. It's in downtown Olmsted Falls, which isn't too far from my house, probably like 10 minutes maybe. Yeah, probably like 10 minutes. It's a pretty nice area down here, honestly. We got falls, a lot of changing leaves that are actually all over my yard. I had to mow the other day. I just realized that there's Wednesday service, and I'm gonna come back in like 10-20 minutes. I do know of, or I think I know of, some other spots that I could try out. I want to show you the falls before I get started. Maybe I'll just turn this into a parkour video. Oh. That's funny. So there's also still mad people around, but I think I'm gonna turn this into a mini parkour video. You think I can make that jump and then bounce up? Super cool. But this is actually the way to the caves too, so almost just fell. There's a lot of leaves, so I have no idea what I'm stepping on. Anyways, here is our cave. I call it our cave because I've never seen anyone else in it, nor do I check every time, but still, I like to say it's our cave. It's not very big, but you can definitely sit under there. And you got nice background noise. So, yeah, I know this ain't nothing, but warm-up trick. Oh, that's bad, dude. That's bad. There's a 3 stair over there, which it's a church, so. And then, like I said, I think there's Wednesday service going on, so I hope they don't get too mad at me. But I'm gonna go try the 3 stair. Oh, that one was it. I was leaning back a little bit far, but that one was it. Sick. It's not that hard. Gotta do a freaking ollie. This is way too sketchy for my ability of skating at the moment, but I gotta give it one good try, so even if I jump off. All right. Fuck am I kidding, dude? I can't do this. Oh, but I really want to at least give it an attempt. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. Well, at least I attempted and almost fucking killed myself, so I'm done. I'm enjoying the view. But there's like a gap right here. I'm gonna try to 180 it. It's nothing. But just like that, I fall. Pop shove because the 180 was a fail. Next spot. Pretty cool. I don't know what time it is, but I gotta go pick up my grandma from Cleveland at some point. So, at 3:15 actually. So I should probably get out of here. I'm on my way to Cleveland, as you can hopefully see the skyline in front of me. Picking up my grandma. There's a spot that I've seen that I want to test out, but it is a bit of a traffic jam and I'm gonna have to get over at some point. This is the spot. Ah. 1 foot. Oh. Thanks. I did it! Yeah!